Most people don't fail at investing because they're not smart. They fail because they don't know what to invest in. They overthink, they hesitate, they wait too long, and while they're stuck, other people are quietly building wealth. Jetty here, and today I'm breaking down exactly how to invest and what to invest in using the Exponential Prosperity Code. No confusion, no guessing. Just a simple system that actually works. Before you even pick a stock, you need a system. Here's the rule. You don't invest what's left over. You invest first. Every time you get paid, a percentage goes straight into investments. 10% if you can, even 5% if you're starting small. Consistency beats everything. Because investing isn't about one big move. It's about small moves, repeated over time. Now let's talk about what to invest in. There are 3 core things you should focus on. First, index funds. This is your foundation. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, you invest in the entire market. This gives you stability, long-term growth, and lower risk. This is where real wealth starts. Second, strong companies. This is your growth layer. You're looking for companies that dominate their space, make consistent profits, and are still growing. Think about businesses that will likely still be winning 10 years from now. Not hype, not trends, but real power. Third, cash flow investments. This is where your money starts paying you. Dividend stocks, real estate funds. This is where income comes in, even when you're not working. This is where freedom begins. Now, let's simplify it even more. If you want a clean strategy, follow this. 60 to 70% in index funds, 20 to 30% in strong companies, 10% in cash flow investments. That's it. Simple, powerful, effective. Now let me save you from the biggest mistakes. Don't chase hot stocks. If everyone is talking about it, you're probably late. Don't try to get rich quick. Real investing is slow at first, then it becomes exponential. And don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The market goes up, the market goes down, but over time, it goes up. Here's the rule that changes everything. Invest consistently, no matter what. When prices drop, you're buying at a discount. When prices rise, your money is growing. Either way, you win. You don't need to predict the market. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a system and the discipline to follow it. Because wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by consistency. So start today. Start small. Stay consistent. And let time do what it does best. Multiply. This is Jetty, and this is the Exponential Prosperity Code.